What is up, my rose? Buzz back at it again with another video. Okay, so as y'all could tell by the title, this is a mukbang, but this is a different kind of mukbang. You know, most people that be having their setup all cute and stuff, but right now this is called a comfy mukbang because I'm in my bed and I got checkers. Let me get a thumbnail. Let me get my drink. Let me see. Okay. Let me put my light facing me. Okay. The light is on you, girl. Okay. So, what I got some funnel cake fries. If y'all have never tried their funnel cake fries, please do. I got some mozzarella sticks. Got 6 of them, and they fell out everywhere. Mozzarella sticks. And I got the $2 box, which is chicken bites and fries. I got barbecue sauce as my dipping sauce. Y'all, Checkers Rallies has the best barbecue sauce ever. Like, ever. Okay. So I know people talk about these. Talking these. So today's topic is going to be setting goals and keeping positive. Because, excuse me, lately I've been talking to my friends and we have been motivating each other to just come for everything we want and just go for it. Because you can only say that you're doing something for so long. You have to do it. You can't just speak about it. You gotta do it. So, setting goals. I suggest that you always have a short-term goal and a long-term goal. With me, I like to make weekly goals. So, for now, my long-term goal, I want to get my car and my apartment. And my my short-term goal is to have a business started so I can have more than one form of income. Oh my God, that's cold. I got a stomach freeze, not a brain freeze. But I have another form of income. And my weekly goal is how much I put up every week for my car. Calculate my hours, how much my check gonna be. Then I put it up. Like, goals are very important. And I feel like with goals, it's better to write them down. With goals, okay, so I feel like with goals, it's very beneficial to write goals down, because when you actually see them and you're actually writing them down, like, it makes it more real. For me, it does. Like, when I set a goal, I always find some type of paper, put it in my phone. I write that goal down. I note take that goal. Because when I'm writing it, I just feel like I have to accomplish it. Like, me writing it is like setting it in stone for me. Like, I wrote it down. I gotta do it now. Like, that's how I feel. And also, when it comes to goals, it's like you can't just write a goal and expect for it to accomplish itself. Once you write a goal down or you have a goal, you have to take the proper steps in order for you to accomplish that goal. And I'm a firm believer in you get what you put out. So, you know, if you have this goal and you're putting in hard work, you're trying to accomplish it, you're really doing what you got to do, I believe success will find you. Like, that's just how I feel. Also, your attitude about things. I'm really big on vibes and auras and stuff like that. So I feel like if you have a negative vibe, a negative energy, a negative demeanor, can y'all be quiet? I'm filming. Can y'all talking too loud? So if your demeanor is negative, I feel like you're going to get negativity. Bad things will happen. Excuse me. Ooh. I feel like if you have a negative outlook and you're just always negative, that's what you're going to get. Okay. Next is mozzarella sticks. I'm starting to get full. I love Checkers mozzarella sticks. Now, with this comes a mozzarella sauce. I mean mozzarella marinara. I feel like the cheese sticks are better with marinara. At first, I just like them plain, but marinara, definitely. Double dipping because it's my sauce. And I ain't sharing. Crunch. And I got the peach mango slushie. It's okay. When I first got it, I was like, it tastes like water. But I could taste the peach and mango. But it's like it's watered down. I don't like that. Ooh, y'all. Every time, you know, you get a brain freeze, it freezes like right in my stomach. Or maybe my stomach hurt. I don't know. I feel like I knew this was gonna happen. I really wanted to do a mukbang. I really wanted to do one. Oh, that almost fell on my computer. I would have cried. It fell in the box. Don't worry. But I knew that I would get full quick and that this video wouldn't be super long. I just like wanted it to be so we could chit chat. But we gonna have to try that when my appetite's a little bit bigger because I'm about full. Wait, I gotta make sure I eat at least everything. So here are the funnel cake fries. It usually got a lot of powder on it. Honestly, I feel like this slushie might have been good. Due to what my funnel cake fries look like, I feel like Checkers was slacking tonight. There's no funnel cake powder. Y'all see? The most funnel cake powder I see is on this one. And it's like right there. But these are so good. Excuse me, y'all. Juice. But these are really good. Delicious. Delicioso. Who watched Mr. Hotspot? Because he was saying that. Delicioso. But y'all, I think this mukbang is over. Cause your girl, is, y'all see I keep closing my eyes. Now I'm sleepy. I done ate. When me and my mom was getting Checkers, honestly, I was going to sleep on the way home. But I was just about to eat and go to sleep. But I was like, let me go ahead and just record it. Because when I say I'm giving y'all consistency, I'm so serious. Whenever I feel like there's something that I'm doing, I can make a video out of it, I'm going to make a video out of it. So, I was like, why not? But, y'all, I think this is it, because your girl about to KO, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And also, make sure you click the bell to get notified every time your girl upload. Also, thumbs this video up and share it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah.